they feel like a fall, so I need to do with a pumpkin. Unfortunately, Trader Joe doesn't have a pumpkin puree yet, but I was able to buy more last year and save some. Yay for me. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I am going to add 2 eggs, maybe flour first. I'm going to add flour. I have over here around 500 grams. I'm not going to add whole thing yet because I want to play with the flour amount, because I do not have a set recipe for that. I just approximately mix stuff. So over here, 500 grams of the flour. I'm just going to leave around 100 grams. 150 ml of milk. I'm going to give you the recipe in the description. Over here is 300 ml of the pumpkin. It's like almost a whole can. I think like 1/3 of a can. There we go. Eggs. Two tablespoons of melted butter, 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. And I'm going to add something new. Over here I have a sourdough discard. I'm in the process of making my sourdough bread. How to make sourdough starter and have the discard, I'm going to link you a few different websites where you can find out how to make it. It's not my recipe, I'm just exploring new things. So I'm just going to mix that because it's a collection of few days, and I am just going to add it approximately 200. All right. When I started to mix, I realized that my dough is too wet, so I added basically the rest of the flour. Then I added 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I covered it and I left it to rise. Let's finish up our rolls. They rised. Nice. Let's make sure that everything is mixed well. Oh, I love that dough. Feels so good. Comment me, did you ever made your own home bread or rolls? Did you ever try to make it? Because like me, I don't know why, but I love yeast dough. Since I was a kid, I love to play with the yeast dough. Play with it, let it down, okay? And let's make a little bit like airy. Right. So I'm going to have my caraway baking sheet. First I'm going to cut that in half. This way it's going to be easier for me to make the rolls. Okay, let's roll this. I'm just going to play. Just want to have that equal, at least as much as you can. I'm going to do them. Okay, so we're going to try to have them equal. If you do not know how to do the rolls, you can basically play this way of fold many times. Here we go. Or you can just put your hand tight on the roll and just roll this like that. This way, when you turn, you're going to have a nice ball of a roll. Okay, I'm going to drop this one. I'm going to make the other ones. Okay, here we go. If you want first, just do a few times like that. They're still sticky, but don't worry. And let's roll. All right, here we go. I think this one is a little bit bigger, but I don't care. It doesn't need to be equal, the rolls. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so this is how it looks like, the rolls. I'm just going to leave them for at least half an hour more to rise, and then I'm going to bake them. Alright, here you go. They look really good. Alright, so my oven is getting warm. Now the only thing is I have an egg white, beaten egg white over here, and I'm going to wash them off the top, and on some I'm going to put oatmeal, and on most of them, of course, I'm going to put a pumpkin spice. On most of them I'm going to put pumpkin seeds.
If you like, you can also add on the top of the rolls pumpkin spice.
First, put the lovely oatmeal. The rest with the pumpkin seeds. Apparently I did not turn on the oven. Whoopsie. Alright, it is ready, the oven. Let's put them in.
Bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for around 20 to 30 minutes.
Alright, they are all ready. There you go. Nice looking rolls. The only thing is the best to do to pull out them from the pan into the cooling rack. So I will try to do them by not burning myself. Woo, made it. Oh, okay. Can I pull this paper off? Okay. Ah, hot, hot, hot. Okay. Aha! Alright, now they have to cool down because they are hot. Very easy, beautiful made fresh rolls with pumpkin. Let me pull the smaller one. Ooh, there. Got stuck together. Nice. Let me see inside. It's still warmish, but I cannot wait. Oh my god. Look at that. Nice, fluffy, yellowish from the pumpkin. Let me try. There. Oh my god. It is so good. It's amazing how nice. This is why I love these rolls, because they have this amazing yellowish color. If you do not like pumpkin, you don't have to add pumpkin, just add a little bit more milk. So good. With the amazing pumpkin seeds, oh, perfect for the fall.
And they are perfect with the cream cheese. Oh my god, perfect for breakfast or a supper or a snack. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you next Sunday. Bye.